great to be bear savvy in an environment like this. Being able to understand your environment, who you're sharing space with, what their sign looks like, what their behavioral attributes are, and then when you do encounter these big bears, it's so important to know how to keep your cool. Let them make the first move, and certainly be respectful of their space. They're not looking for trouble, but we can certainly do a lot, and also in our behavior as humans, to mitigate that bear-human conflict if we're just smart enough and understand bears enough.